So welcome guys to Geek Guilds again, and in this tutorial we will be learning how to code in C. And for sure, if you want to our earlier videos and all the codes, then just hop into our description to get all the links in there. So let's get started with this tutorial. In this tutorial we will be printing hello world in C. It will be very easy, and let me remind you, it's going to be very easy. So let's start, and let's start by just writing the code. We will write into main and then curly braces open, and then as we know that every language have a print statement, right? So in C programming we have print statement like print and then f. Okay, and then whatever we need to print inside it, we need to like if you want to print string, you need to use double inverted comma, and then we will write whatever we need to print, right? In this case we will need to print hello world, so we will just write hello world, right? And then done, and then we will write return 0. This is very essential in C programming, so yes, we need to write it, and done. Let's see if the program runs or not. Yes, it just runs, and we, as we can see, we have got the output hello world. So yes, the program is running. And so thank you guys for joining in, and love from Geek Guild.